Coach, 2-0 victory away from home. Not comfortable, but definitely a sturdy performance. What's your thought on the game overall?
Yes, I think it was a comfortable win in terms of the chances that we created. Could have scored more goals, but the good thing is that we are creating them. It's just to execute them from now on.
Um, Missed those, as I say, a lot of missed chances. Is that more of just an individual quality thing, or just players just out of form?
I don't know, but we are doing a lot of finishing in training. I don't know if I think it's a composure thing. Sometimes, when you get the ball in the final third and you think, just take a little breather and just think, put it in one of the corner. But it's easier said than done. Sometimes the pitch is not conducive to hit the ball on the first touch. So things like those. But strikers, football is all about confidence. So when you get a goal, you will feel better of trying the others. So I think we'll get out of that.
Portmore United, you say players have a next gear to go, but not seeing them, executing in some areas, especially in the attacking third. Zimin is a player that a lot of people think, would be on more goals and getting more assists, but not finding that. What's your thought on that?
My thought on it, as I said, it's a confidence thing. Football is confidence. He got one today, and I hope he will. I hope he will get back his full confidence and believe that he can get more.
Coach, it's a transfer season. A few players would have left Portmore United. Saw some young players coming through today. Is that the way forward for Portmore United now, or you'll be going into the window looking to add more experienced players to the squad?
Youth has always been our DNA. We always give the young players a chance once they are good enough, and sometimes we develop them once they have the right mindset. We are not afraid to put youngsters out there to play. The game, each and every year, the game, is going towards younger players. So it's for them. They have more energy and they are more marketable. So if we can put them on the pitch, because football is a business, for them to express themselves, and if they can get opportunities to enhance their careers, that would be good.